You, I promise you that I shall never breathe that I shall never breathe again, breathe again. Let me know, let me run away with you. Come we find a way to your heart again. So I'm feeling, gotta get back to you. It's like I lost love from an angel. DJ 6651. What's up, y'all? It is time that I am locking in for my official prep day 1. So this is the Rebuild You series on my channel because currently that's what I'm doing. Rebuilding my habits, rebuilding my approach to money, to parenting, to relationships. At the tender age of 47, I feel like it's super important to be mindful of the things that are working for you versus the things that are not. First things first, we also have football practice this morning. Aiden has to go, so I'll have to drop him off and then drop myself at the gym because it is back day. Scan it now. Okay, guys, we're back at the gym for cardio, and I wanted to pop in and kind of let you guys know the summary of this day and kind of how I was feeling throughout the day. So today was my first like real time following my diet 100% and getting all of my boxes checked. We are officially pledging allegiance to the process for this prep. So I got meal 1, meal 2, first snack in. It'll be time for dinner and another snack by the time I get home. We're here at the gym to do a little bit more cardio, but I kind of wanted to pop in and let you guys know kind of how the day has went so far. So let's start with the gym rotation. The pieces of equipment that I needed were really far apart from each other. For instance, the setup squat bar is way across the gym and far away from the lat pull down machine and the row machine. So with that, I did not or was not able to do these as a superset, but I did get the workout in. I really love the idea of the rope face pulls. Even though you're not going totally to face, you're kind of pulling back. It really gives your back a good stretch and you feel the muscles really. So this was a pleasant surprise to have in the workout today. As you guys know, I adore lat pull downs. I love this piece of equipment. So just getting in and getting the appropriate weight, because this is a dual pulley machine, meaning that the weight is doubled. So today I did 55 pounds on this machine with the goal of working up to 70 pounds. So basically 55 and you multiply that times 2. So that was my weight today. And so we went and picked Aiden up from football practice. He was pretty tired. They weightlift from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. But we have had like 2 weeks off with just family visiting and different things in life. So we've been kind of popping in and out of the weight training with that vacation time and, just life changes, work, all these things. So I did let him know that we're going to, from here moving forward, be ensuring that he's making all of his weightlifting and things like that. So to get some steps in, I decided to go and do a small little hike that's near our house. And y'all, believe it or not, my boy was kind of tooty about it, right? Like, tooty. And I was like, what is the matter? Because guys, I don't know if you guys have adolescent children or if you have teenagers, but I really strive to give them what they need and then also allow them the free time to do the things that they want to do. But I'm finding that this next season of life, of high school, of goals for both of us and for all of us is going to require another level of discipline from not only myself, but my children included. We had a talk about kind of where he is and where he wants to go with, high school and then with college, and then ultimately what he wants to really do about football. I'm the type person that if there's something that I want to do, it's driven from within. I do it. Like it doesn't require that I need someone to like tell me or trigger me to do the things that I know I need to be doing. So with that being said, I feel like some of it should come from parents, but then a lot of it should come from the child if there's really something that they want to do. These are the things that I do to ensure that I have the things that I need and that I'm able to give to others in the way that they need. Parenting is one of the most hardest things I have ever done in my life. And being a mother of five, and then also being a single parent, as you know, we've had obstacles that we've had to overcome. And yet, we still manage to keep our heads above water. We still manage to, you know, take the lessons, and we still manage to love each other through the process. My goal for my children is to ensure that they have the best opportunities possible, especially with my last two in the home. And it can be scary, guys. I mean, I don't know how many of you are out there raising children and raising children on your own, but really, as parent, you are really responsible for helping them mold who they are as a person. You're responsible for helping them understand what good character is, how to be a good human, how to take care of themselves. And it can be so hard because in the midst of it, you are also, experiencing life on your own level. So the gym for me is therapy, and parenting for me is my why. I love my children and I want the best for them. That's really what the message is, guys, is that parenting, working out, all of these things are choices, and all of these things kind of create the person that you are becoming. You can't check out on parenting, meaning that you have to actively be a part of their world. You have to actively know what their struggles are. And sometimes, y'all, it is the hardest thing, especially as a single parent, because you are focusing on, going to work and making sure that they have what they need, but there's also the emotional part of parenting that you need to know what's going on in your kids' world. And so that takes a little bit of slowing down and coming back to the table and reconnecting. I know this video was probably all over the place, and if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. It is my goal to share with you the realistic life that I have, and then also the realistic ways that I'm shaping to prepare not only for this competition, but also for a new season. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you. One moment, he's fussing about doing a hike. And then the next moment, he's excited to go to football camp. You gotta pull it out of him.